Election also shows BJP riding on Prime Minister Modi's charisma managed to trump the opposition once again. But the big question is, will the BJP continue to play second fiddle to the JDU?
As the dust settles on the bitter battle of Bihar, the BJP has emerged the big winner. Its ally Nitish Kumar's JDU has been reduced to a minor partner in terms of seats. The BJP is without doubt the big brother in the NDA and will call the shots in the future. Much of the credit for this will go to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has always remained the star campaigner for the party.
डबल इंजन वाली एनडीए सरकार बिहार के विकास के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है, तो ये डबल युवराज अपने अपने सिंहासन को बचाने की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं.
Prime Minister Modi, like an experienced batsman, paced his innings, picking his shots according to the pitch. He reiterated Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister face.
नीतीश जी की अगुवाई में भाजपा, जेडीयू, हम पार्टी और वीआईपी के गठबंधन के पक्ष में बिहार का मत स्पष्ट है. मैं जहां गया हूं, जो मिजाज मैं देख रहा हूं, बिहार की जनता नीतीश कुमार जी को दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री का संकल्प ले चुकी है.
Reminded people of Lalu Yadav's Jungle Raj.
एक पक्ष है जंगल राज का, जो अंधेरा वापस लाना चाहता है ताकि लालटेन फिर जले. दूसरा है एनडीए, जिसने हर गांव तक बिजली पहुंचाकर घरों को दूधिया बल्ब से प्रकाशित करने का, रोशन करने का काम किया.
And consolidated the core voter base when needed.
छठी मैया को पूजने वाली इस धरती पर जंगल राज के साथी चाहते हैं कि भारत मां की जय के नारे ना लगे. वो चाहते हैं आप जय श्री राम भी ना बोले. ये भारत माता के विरोधी अब एकजुट होकर बिहार के लोगों से वोट मांगने के लिए आए.
The BJP had banked heavily on Modi's popularity to blunt the anti-incumbency against Nitish. Its pollsters and ad campaigns in newspapers showed only one face, leaving out Nitish. And the final results seem to have justified the call.
The Bihar election is a big reassurance for the Bharatiya Janata Party. The first election in the times of the coronavirus pandemic, which may reflect that there might not have been as much anger over the lockdown that forced thousands of migrant workers to walk back home. The verdict is a boost for the party that so far had failed to breach the caste divide in the state. The BJP now is not going to play second fiddle to anyone anymore. Paulami Saha in Delhi for India Today.
Meanwhile, Nitish Kumar was facing a strong anti-incumbency wave in the run-up to the Bihar Assembly polls. However, his clean image and Prime Minister Modi's support helped him hold his fort successfully. Here's the full report.
The marathon man of Bihar set for another term at the helm. Nitish Kumar is back, but the halo has diminished. Within the NDA, his position has weakened, having come second to the BJP by quite a distance. In the run-up to voting, the JDU had feared the worst. Nitish, the man who's credited with transforming Bihar and rarely emotional, was seen appealing for the voters' sympathy.
और ये मेरा अंतिम चुनाव है। अंत भला तो सब भला।
Nitish had reason to worry. He was the face of the alliance and the target of the opposition who were trying to cash in on his anti-incumbency.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपकी सरकार बिहार में लगभग 15 वर्षों से है, सत्ता में है। लगातार सुशील मोदी जी डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बिहार के रहे हैं। अब वो बात कर रहे हैं फैक्ट्री की, नौकरी की, उद्योग की, कारखानों की। हम तो चाहेंगे कि नीतीश कुमार जी से जरा मोदी जी पूछे कि भाई ये 15 साल बाद नींद क्यों खुला है।
To add to his woes, Nitish Kumar also faced barbs from his former ally Chirag Paswan, who many claimed was the BJP's plan B.
मुख्यमंत्री जनरल डायर की भूमिका में आ गया। जिस तरीके से जनरल डायर ने जलियांवाला बाग में गोलियां चलाई थी, बेकसूरों को मौत के घाट उतारा था, एग्जैक्टली उसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से मुख्यमंत्री के निर्देश पर, नीतीश कुमार जी के आदेश पर वहां के स्थानीय प्रशासन ने निर्दोषों के ऊपर गोलियां चलाई, उनको मारा, लाठियां। आप देखिए किस हालात में हम अस्पताल में जाकर।
He countered the frequent attacks by focusing on Lalu Yadav's 15 years of rule, constantly warning Bihar of the return to Jungle Raj.
कम उम्र के बच्चे हो, क्या हाल था? अपने माता पिता से जाकर के पूछ लो कि शाम होने के बाद घर से बाहर निकल पाते थे। अपने माता पिता से जाकर के पूछो कि स्कूल में कोई पढ़ाई होती थी। अपने माता पिता से जाकर के पूछो कि कोई इलाज होता था। वो लौटकर
Nitish got the much needed vote of confidence from Prime Minister Modi.
डबल इंजन वाली एनडीए सरकार बिहार के विकास के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है।
Once a bitter critic of Modi, Nitish sought votes in his name. The strategy paid off. Anti-incumbency after 15 years of rule, COVID-19 pandemic and the migrant crisis couldn't stop the Modi-Nitish combo. In the end, the voters of Bihar opted to go with the tried and tested leadership, which had transformed the state, handing the mantle to Nitish in perhaps the toughest election of his career. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.